Hello, this is Jackie with JNM Reviews, and today I'm very happy to review this sample provided by DEARMAY. So, thank you, DEARMAY, for the beautiful bracelets. They are 14 karat gold plated, and this is how they look. Okay, we have we have this here. We have this one. It looks like a beautiful chain. As you can see, you can match it with your rings, with your earrings. This one is so beautiful. Look at this. It's gorgeous. It has the rocks in between. Um, Here we have this one. It's just so pretty. They all look so pretty, so fine on my hand. You have this one that it has a beautiful texture, and you can wear them together and it won't be a lot. They have like the perfect size, and they match most of your outfits. Look how pretty this looks. It looks so pretty. I will take care of them by removing them before putting perfumes or creams or going to the pool or working out. Make sure you can even put them back in the same container they came in. You just push here and you can store them right back. And I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. I'm very happy. They look from afar, they look so pretty. Thank you for watching my video.